Hello everyone. What is science? Most of you would say that science is a way of understanding the natural and social worlds, right? Yeah, but how do we understand the natural and social worlds? We can understand the world around us through acquiring knowledge about it. From ancient times, humans have tried to understand the nature of this world through observation. They observed how plants grow and invented agriculture. They observed how round objects move and invented wheels. And as reasons they used gods or deities. Then the Greeks came. The thing special about them was reasoning. They didn't just observe and learn new things, they reasoned everything and made logical guesses. But they went into something called experiment, which proves if the guess is actually correct or not. But around 10th century, Hassan ibn al-Haytham, mathematician, promised the king of Egypt that he will build a dam on the Nile to stop the catastrophic flood, without actually seeing the Nile. When he realized how big the Nile is, he understood that it's impossible to build a dam on Nile that can stop the flood. So, as punishment, the king kept Ibn al Haytham under house arrest. During the house arrest at night, he saw the moonlight coming through a hole on the wall and presenting a horizontally flipped reflection of the pyramids, because the room he was inside acted like a camera obscura. In a camera obscura, the image projected from the outside world is flipped upside down. So there he started experimenting with light. He explained how light travels in a straight line and bounces off different surfaces, and how we see. So how did do this? He discovered that light travels in a straight line from every point of the outside. So the light rays coming from the top and bottom cross as they enter the dark room and project a flipped image on the wall. But that was just a logical guess, hypothesis, just like the Greek scientists. So what he did was put his guess into a test to see if his guess was right. He lit three candles and see where the light of each candle hit. He performed a lot of more experiments in that room on light. Thus Ibn al-Haytham discovered how light travels, how we see why the moon appears at night, why large objects seem small from the distance, etc. He wrote all of these in his book of optics, giving explanation to all of his experiments. So that's how he showed science isn't based on logical guesses or just an observation. It took experiments to prove the truth. Then around 13th century when the English translation of his book got into Europe, an Englishman named Roger Bacon read that and he really loved Ibn al-Haytham's idea of how to do science. He popularized the idea that science is about experimentation. After that, during the scientific revolution, scientists started discovering how the universe works and the way it does using the scientific method. Ibn al-Haytham's way of doing science may have helped those who came after him. He discovered the way of exploring the unknown by making predictions, running experiments, and repeat this to find out the truth. So science isn't just a knowledge told by someone. Science is a knowledge of the natural and social world that is proved through different experiments conducted to see if it's actually true. If you like the video, make sure to give a thumbs up. Peace.